Here we have Boyz Smooth Leather, a premium treatment developed to restore and protect leather surfaces with a soft, natural finish. Using the Boyz Jack microfiber applicator pad, we place a small amount of product and begin applying it to the leather seat. Instantly, smooth leather revitalizes the surface, enhancing its texture and richness. Next, we move to the armrest on the central console. With gentle motions, the product nourishes the leather, restoring its suppleness and luxurious look. Finally, we apply smooth leather to the door armrest area, another high-contact surface. The result is a uniform, rejuvenated finish that feels as good as it looks. Boyz Smooth Leather, professional-grade care to maintain the elegance and durability of your vehicle's leather.